Hello, my little artists! Today we are drawing a bright red chili pepper. Let's start with a long, curvy shape. Make it a little thin at the bottom and a little wider at the top. Add a leafy green cap. Make it look like a tiny crown sitting on top. So cute! Now it's coloring time. Grab your red color and carefully fill in the chili. Nice and smooth. Wow, that red looks so bright and shiny.
Chili, milly growing on a tree. Gray hands like a tall plant. Green chili, red chili waving at me. Gray hands
Now color the top green. Beautiful! Red and green look amazing together. This chili pepper looks spicy. But don't worry, it's just a drawing. You did such a fantastic job today. I'm so proud of you.
Eat it very slowly, just a little slide. Hands like a tall plant. Green chili, milly, chili,
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep drawing. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time.
Little cloud.